function definition, function in a sentence, function pronunciation, function meaning. Welcome to another research paper word, American pronunciation of function. Function. Func-tion. Function. Function as a verb means to work or to operate properly. Common usages in academic writing: to function correctly, to function incorrectly, to function normally, to function smoothly, inability to function, to continue functioning. Example sentences: function, verb, the new software functions correctly. Example sentence number 2, the city's traffic signal system functions smoothly. Example sentence number 3, multiple crewed missions to the Hubble Space Telescope had to be made in order to keep the telescope functioning properly. Please write a sentence using functioning in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of function, the meaning of function, and function example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.